Welcome back to another episode of Cryoto's Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're diving into a topic that's not only shaping the future of manufacturing, but is also a key driver behind Industry 4.0 predictive maintenance. To shed light on this transformative concept, we have with us Alex, a seasoned expert in maintenance management and IoT. Welcome, Alex.
Thank you, Bruce. It's great to be here. Predictive maintenance is indeed a game changer in the industry, and I'm excited to discuss how it's revolutionizing the way we approach maintenance.
Let's start with the basics, Alex. For our listeners who might be new to the concept, what exactly is predictive maintenance, and how does it differ from traditional maintenance practices?
Great question, Bruce. Predictive maintenance is a strategy that uses data-driven analytics to predict when equipment failures might occur so that maintenance can be performed just in time to prevent downtime. Unlike reactive maintenance, where you fix something after it breaks, or preventive maintenance, where you maintain equipment on a regular schedule regardless of its condition, predictive maintenance leverages IoT sensors, machine learning, and real-time data to optimize maintenance activities. This not only improves equipment reliability but also significantly reduces costs.
That's fascinating. And you mentioned IoT. How does it integrate with predictive maintenance?
IoT, or the Internet of Things, plays a crucial role in predictive maintenance by enabling real-time monitoring of equipment. IoT sensors can collect vast amounts of data from machinery, everything from temperature and vibration to energy consumption and pressure levels. This data is then fed into predictive analytics models that identify patterns and anomalies, providing insights into the health of the equipment. The connectivity provided by IoT is what makes predictive maintenance a cornerstone of Industry 4.0, where smart factories and digital twins are becoming the norm.
Speaking of Industry 4.0, can you explain how predictive maintenance is driving this industrial revolution?
Absolutely, Bruce. Industry 4.0 is all about the integration of cyber-physical systems, IoT, and cloud computing to create intelligent and autonomous systems. Predictive maintenance fits perfectly into this framework by ensuring that machinery and equipment are operating at peak efficiency with minimal downtime. This predictive approach allows for more accurate planning and resource allocation, which is critical in smart factories. The ability to predict and prevent failures not only improves operational efficiency, but also enhances the overall safety and sustainability of the manufacturing process.
Can you share some real-world examples where predictive maintenance has made a significant impact?
Certainly. One of the most compelling examples is in the aviation industry. Airlines are using predictive maintenance to monitor the health of their aircraft engines. By analyzing data from sensors on the engines, they can predict when parts are likely to fail and schedule maintenance accordingly. This approach has reduced unplanned downtime, increased aircraft availability, and significantly lowered maintenance costs. Another example is in the energy sector, where predictive maintenance is used in wind turbines. The turbines are equipped with sensors that monitor their condition in real time, allowing for early detection of potential issues and reducing the risk of costly breakdowns.
It sounds like predictive maintenance has a lot of benefits, but what are some challenges companies face when implementing it?
One of the biggest challenges is the initial investment in technology and infrastructure. Implementing IoT sensors, setting up data analytics, and integrating these systems with existing maintenance processes can be costly and complex. Another challenge is data management. Companies need to ensure they have the right tools and expertise to analyze and interpret the vast amounts of data generated. Despite these challenges, the long-term benefits of predictive maintenance, such as reduced downtime, lower maintenance costs, and extended equipment lifespan, make it a worthwhile investment.
Thanks for sharing those insights, Alex. Before we wrap up, what do you see as the future of predictive maintenance and its role in Industry 4.0?
I believe the future of predictive maintenance will involve even more advanced analytics, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. We'll see predictive maintenance becoming more proactive, where the systems themselves can autonomously schedule and perform maintenance tasks without human intervention. As Industry 4.0 continues to evolve, predictive maintenance will play a critical role in creating truly smart and efficient factories. It's an exciting time to be in this field.
Indeed it is. That's all we have time for today. Thank you, Alex, for such an engaging and informative discussion. And to our listeners, stay tuned for more episodes on Cryoto's Maintenance Management, where we bring you the latest trends and insights in the world of maintenance management. Until next time, take care.